XRP is about to make a massive move. In this video, we're going to be talking about it. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and that you stick around to the end of this video. So XRP has seen massive volume these past couple of weeks, and it is because there's a lot of news that's taking place for XRP that you might not have heard about. This guy right here, Brent Hill, says, let's go ahead and aim for a price target of $1.40 for XRP at the start of January. I think that this guy is right. He's going to be right. Potentially, he might be off by a little bit, could miss it by a little bit. He could be off that it goes way past this. Now, XRP has seen a pretty significant correction over the past couple of weeks, ever since it reached its $73, $74 price target, especially with that potentially fake XRP ETF news. But here's something that's very, very interesting for XRP. XRP is forming the biggest bull flag it has ever seen. In the previous time that we formed a bull flag like this, which is now taking the process of many, many years, we saw an exponential growth in XRP, the biggest move we've ever seen for XRP. Now, the price target for this bull flag is going to be around $4. Look at this. Right now in the monthly time frame, we are seeing XRP form this bull flag, which has started from the year of 2017. This is crazy. And we are literally on the very precipice of breaking this pattern. Let me show you what happens when a normal cryptocurrency or any cryptocurrency breaks a long pattern like this. We'll just go to Bitcoin. Look at this. Bitcoin was forming this resistance. And guess what happened after Bitcoin was forming this very long resistance that started from 2021? Look at what happened. We get a massive 200% breakout. And this is just for Bitcoin. And this is a smaller flag. But if we go to XRP, you see a massive, massive flag like this. And it is quite likely, ladies and gentlemen, not only to come to the high of the flag, but to break it exponentially and see a massive move like this. The last time XRP had a flag like this was in the year 2017. Look at this. We see a very similar flag forming. And when it broke it, guess how much it broke, guys? Look at how much it broke. This was a massive 2,600% gain. If we were to see a 2,600% gain from our current bull flag with XRP, which would be a similar growth from that previous breakout to our current breakout, we're looking at a price target of $16. Now, this is realistic if we understand what XRP actually does. We understand the partnerships that Ripple is forming around the world and how that they are basically replacing the traditional banks around countries in the world. You might call me crazy, but if we get a similar gain, just maybe half of the gain that we had with our previous massive long consolidation bullish breakout of that bull flag, we would get a price target of around $9 to $8. So this is absolutely crazy, guys. And the thing about XRP, it moves very slow, right? Compared to Bitcoin and a lot of your favorite cryptocurrencies. However, when XRP breaks out, if you look at its previous bull runs, it moves greater than any cryptocurrency, period. Look at this breakout here. This was a 1,000% gain. And the gains are getting smaller, a 300% gain. And it's all because of this lawsuit with the SEC, which they've now won. They're the only cryptocurrency with regulatory clarity by the SEC. And guess what? They only have one thing holding them back, which is the other part of the lawsuit regarding the institutional sales, which I believe 85 to 90% of those institutional sales were done outside of the US, so they have no grounds. They're trying to settle with them for money that they're not going to get and that they are going to lose. So we could potentially get a settlement by the summer of 2024, and I'm thinking it's going to be much sooner than that. When they win the settlement, and the reason, if you understand, is XRP shot up to $1 this summer. But when the SEC appealed the decision regarding the institutional sales, we saw another correction forming, and XRP ended up correcting all the way back down to 43 cents. But ever since then, it's bounced up very quickly, because people know that it is time for XRP. It bounced up 70%, by the way. If you would have bought the dip, you would have made 70%. Absolutely crazy. So the volume is there. The volume is there. We can see right here in the bottom, look at the support. It's curving upwards, and we're pushing into this resistance level. When you push into a resistance level, ladies and gentlemen, it creates a lot of pressure. And when this thing breaks, it's going to go absolutely crazy. Now, if you guys were in my Patreon, you would have caught XRP at the very, very bottom earlier this year and last year, which I told my Patreon members to buy. Also, just the other day, we bought Bitcoin at $41,000. It's trading over $43,000 right now. So a lot of people long this and bought this on leverage. So we all made thousands of dollars. If you are in my Patreon, you can have access to alerts just like this immediately. If you want to know when it's best to get into XRP, buy or sell any cryptocurrency, you need to be using, guys, ladies and gentlemen, Algosniper trading indicator. This thing is amazing. I developed and engineered this thing. It gave us buy alerts at the very bottom earlier this year. This was September 2022, sorry. A buy alert at 31 cents for XRP, which you could be holding now over double in profits. This thing will help you to sell when it's time to sell. Look, it gave a sell alert at the very top at $2 for XRP. This thing works for every single cryptocurrency. The best part, you guys can try today for free. The link for it will be in my video description. I just made a tutorial training video on this indicator that reveals my strategy of how I make thousands of dollars every single month just using Algosniper. It's super simple and it's not complicated at all. Watch my previous video, one of the latest videos that I posted on my YouTube, and you're gonna see the tutorial for Algosniper. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got anything out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you later.